Tether, which already powers over $169 billion worth of digital money around the world, now looks like it wants to reshape the US financial system. This is big, and it could change how we think about digital dollars in America. The company has just announced a brand new project called USAT. It's a US-regulated, dollar-backed stablecoin that's expected to launch by the end of 2025. This isn't just some quick experiment either. It's being issued by Anchorage Digital, with custody handled by Cantor Fitzgerald, serious institutional players. And to lead the effort, Tether has tapped Bo Hines, who used to handle crypto policy at the White House. So, why does this matter? Well, USAT is designed to meet the new Genius Act requirements, meaning liquid reserves, regular audits, and full transparency. In short, compliance first. That positions Tether directly against Circle's USDC and Paxos USDP in the American market. It's also a major shift in strategy. For years, Tether focused on a global-first approach with USDT. But this new move is America first, and it puts the company right in the middle of the US financial conversation. Here's the bigger picture. Tether is already the largest stablecoin issuer in the world, with nearly 500 million users. By launching USAT, they're sending a message to regulators, institutions, and investors. They're ready to play by US rules. If this works, it could actually strengthen the role of the US dollar in the digital economy. And the market reaction? This could bring more legitimacy to stablecoins and attract institutional money that's been sitting on the sidelines. It's going to put pressure on rivals like Circle, and for everyday users, it could mean lower costs, more trust, and safer ways to move money digitally. Tether's move could reshape how America handles digital dollars. Who knows? Your next paycheck, or even your next payment, might run on USAT. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story, so make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update. And if you want to see what's happening in the market right now, search BTCC for the latest campaign and insights.